7 fantastic apps that pay you to install them in 2023. Now, to make money online, the majority of the time, you have to put in work. In fact, the more time and effort you put into trying to earn, the more you should theoretically benefit when it comes to earning. Especially if you are doing something like running a website or YouTube channel, or even freelancing, as a few examples. However, not every way of making money do you need to put in hours of work to get some instant results. The results are a bit of easy cash. Now, one of those ways you can earn money without doing much is through apps that pay you to install them. A number out there claim to do so, but not all of them are as good as they claim to be. It's why it's good you have found this video, as I have personally tried several apps. Of all of them, I have come up with a list for you of 7 apps that actually pay you money when you install them. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe this channel for more interesting video like this. Let's dive in. 1. Drop Rewards. The first app is Drop Rewards, which is an app that gives users cash back when they shop at popular retailers. With over 3 million downloads on the App Store and with several partner companies they work with, they are soared in popularity over the past few years. Now you may be thinking, if it's a cashback app, where exactly is the free money? So how it works is Drop gives you $5 when you sign up and earn just 1,000 points. To show you how much value that is, you are getting $5 simply for downloading and making an account. The only slight catch is you need to earn 1,000 points, equating to $1, and it is easily achievable. 2. Swagbucks. If you are interested in not just earning money for downloading an app but also in creating another income source, then Swagbucks is a great shout. Now, Swagbucks, an app I have been using since my early teens to earn money, currently has a welcome offer. This gives new users $5 when they download the app, create an account and verify their email address. It's a quick way to earn money, and with the company paying over $440 million over the past 10 years and offering enough opportunities to earn a side income, it's a decent company to try out. You can get paid more money with the sign-up bonus when you do surveys, offers, watch videos, play games, and more. 3. Inbox Dollars. Similar to number 2, Inbox Dollars is a popular rewards app/site that offers opportunities to earn money online but also has a sign-up bonus. This means, again, you can receive money for installing the app on your phone. The amount they give you is $5, and similar to Swagbucks, you just need to make an account to qualify for it. On top of the free money, you can earn money by doing various online activities such as surveys and watching videos. 4. Mistplay. Mistplay doesn't just pay you to download their app, they also pay you more money when you install other games. This one works because it offers users an opportunity to get paid to play games. They show you different types of games, such as Coin Master, where you can earn a currency called units by playing them. These units can then be used towards actual rewards in the payout section once users have accumulated the required amount. Now, where the getting paid to install it comes into play is with the sign-up bonus. Mistplay gives you 400 units when you download the app and make an account. These are yours and can be used towards Amazon, prepaid debit cards, and more. 5. CashMAll. When it comes to giving free money, it doesn't get too much easier than the following 2 apps. That is because CashMAll, which has over 10 million downloads, gives users 35.99 coins when creating an account. While that may just seem like an irrelevant currency, the amount is close to being enough for a cash out. All users need to do is play one of the game's CashMAll offers, and within a few minutes, they will be able to redeem a free cash payout to PayPal. 6. CashAlarm. Similar to number 5, we have CashAlarm, which works almost the same way. Not just in terms of what they offer but also because they reward gamers and they pay you to install their app along with giving you different games where you can play and earn money for each minute you play. You also get 35.99 coins after making an account, which sets you up nicely to get your first payout shortly after. Users need 39.99 coins to withdraw the lowest reward, meaning the welcome offer they give you puts you within touching distance. All you have to do is play a game for a short time on their app, make the remaining 400 coins and then choose your reward. 7. Feature Points. Feature Points is an app that has been around for years and has been paying users just to install it on their phones. Paying users to complete surveys, offers, download games, and more gives each new user 50 points for free. All they have to do is install the game and create an account to claim these points, which can be used towards their first payout. So again, Feature Points is yet another app you can't go wrong with the free rewards they give out after sign up for their users. Conclusion: so there you have it, those are the 7 apps that pay you to install them that I recommend to anyone looking to earn fast. Like I said at the start of this video, there are many ways to earn, but most of them take a lot of work. However, these apps make it relatively easy to get some easy cash when you try them for the first time, thanks to their generous sign-up bonuses. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.